Okay. As Minister for Information at this time, now, Omenala Ezeaku and the group, are you people aware that Matthias Ezeaku has been detained? Yes. He has been detained again. He was released last night, but he has been detained again. The reason is because you people will continue compounding his problems. Any advice, in as much as that pastors and people are trying to intercede and plead on his behalf, that you people are not helping him out, that you people are complicating his problem. Now, it will interest you to know that people do interested na Kesi Matthias. It's not just somebody like me and you or any pastor. These are men. These are professional men who belongs to professional field in Nigeria. I'm talking about high-ranked senior advocates, sons. You got to go? I'm talking about people from professional field. Now, it will interest you to know that na Matthias Ezeaku again. Reason is because that undertaking right is no more the people they involved. They don't want that undertaking again. What they want now is court affidavit which will be published in newspapers all over. Yes. What they want now is court affidavit, of which now they will proceed to write or swear that affidavit, which Matthias will be part of it, and of course it will be published in our daily newspapers. The more you people continue to talk and use so many utterances, so many derogatory words, so many inciting words, the more you people that compound his problem more. I just say I should give you people this update because on Omenala Igbo ifo na ha no ayi gwaru no nwe ifo no melu no nda Matthias na agba mgba akwụkwọ ndepụtara kita ka enye eri aka, but you people na-enye mkpọtụ which is ife unu dugudu n'ime mkpọtụ onwe ife unu menwuru to help him, una na-enye mkpọtụ nwoke no shọgụ nwanyị nwere akụkọ. All no one will button on your press quasi no man the same Matthias that was released yesterday because of constant noise and utterances. He has been detained again, and this time around it is not an undertaking that we need. If any is a keta is court affidavit. Yes, which will be published in some newspapers. As Minister for Information, I just say I should give you people this update. Dalukon.